Hi, I'm Steve from Australian Jewellers Supplies Melbourne branch, and today I'll be talking to you about the Genuine Smith Little Torch. The Genuine Smith Little Torch is made in the US. It provides a perfectly controlled stable flame hot enough to melt metals, glass and even ceramics. The Genuine Smith Little Torch can reach temperatures of up to 3,480 degrees Celsius. It's a two-line system, which means oxygen hooks up to the green line, and for the red line you have a choice of either LPG or acetylene as your fuel choice. The user can vary the flame lengths to the exact requirements by either tip choice or by adjusting the oxygen and fuel valves located on the torch body. Contents that are included in the Genuine Smith Little Torch kit are the lightweight torch itself, weighing in at just 42.52 grams, complete with green and red control valves, a set of two 1.8 metre hoses with brass Australian fittings already attached to the torch, and 5 tips that range between numbers 3 and 7, and they provide a wide range of flame lengths and heat outputs.